and welcome to this tutorial. Today we want to talk on how to download Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you want to download Adobe Premiere Pro, first of all, come to your browser, and search Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, download for PC, So this is the Adobe Premiere Pro download for PC. So then after that, whichever, you can use Creative Cloud or you can use the second one, which Adobe Premiere Pro download. You'll come here and you'll see Adobe Premiere Pro download. Then you'll come here, let me close this one. Can you close this? These are ads. You'll be asked to download. You'll be asked to download. So after that, after you have downloaded it, before you start using it, or rather, you'll come here, Adobe Creative Cloud. You can also come here to Adobe Creative Cloud. So after that, first sign in Adobe Creative Cloud. Sign in. If you don't have how to sign in, so Adobe Creative Cloud will help you to operate Premiere Pro for free trial. Sign in Adobe Creative Cloud. You can sign it online, or you can also download Adobe Creative Cloud. Sign in Adobe or create account with your email and password. After that, come back and download your Adobe Premiere Pro. So here we have different packages. It depends with how much you want to spend on Adobe and the features that you want to use. So after that, it depends with the features that you want to use. So you have to subscribe to this channel. You have to subscribe to Adobe Creative Cloud. Here are the plans, but this is for free trial. This is free trial for 7 days. Then accept, meaning you will be paying $22.99 monthly, but your subscription you can cancel anytime. You can cancel your subscription anytime. So you have 7 days free trial. Then after that you can cancel or you can continue using it. Then continue. It will take you, before you download, it will take you to Creative Cloud. But if you have already signed into Creative Cloud, you will be able to get all Adobe Premiere Pro in this